some breaking news coming in. AAP MLAs suspended for 3 days. 21 MLAs suspended till the 28th of February. So all except Amanatullah Khan, who was absent, who was not present today, have been suspended. Let's in fact try and go across to Isha for more on this. So the session till 28 without any AAP MLA, without the opposition in the Delhi Assembly.
Right, Swati. The news that we are getting is that the MLAs, including Atishi and Gopal Rai, have been suspended for the next 3 days. And this, of course, raises questions about how there will be a debate that may take place because all MLAs have now been suspended. And also, the Vidhan Sabha, the session has been extended for two more days. So the session will be there will be a session that will be held on Friday and Monday. Originally, there was only a session that was supposed to be held on Thursday, but now the sessions will be increased and more CAG reports are expected to be tabled. The Aam Aadmi Party MLAs have been suspended as of now, is what we're getting to know. In fact, when they were getting suspended, we spoke to them, and when we tried to get in a word from them about what they were stating, they spoke about how it was unjust, how it was absolutely unjust that it happened with them, and they were just raising pertinent questions that the BJP government did not let them voice, did not let them give an opinion. They weren't allowed to voice their opinion, and that is why they were expelled. They said that they were only indulging in relevant question answer. Of course, they started protesting about the fact that...
So only Amanatullah Khan has not been expelled. So Isha, what's going to happen? What is the agenda for the next couple of days? Are the other CAG reports also going to be tabled?
Right, Swati, in the coming few days, because there are several parts to this report, is what we find out by now. Not just today was just the first part of the CAG report, which was tabled, and it dealt with the excise. But there are several other aspects to the CAG report that we've also found, that we've also confirmed with our sources. There are reports that will be pertaining to air pollution, DTC buses, and several other fallacies alleged by the BJP government towards the Aam Aadmi Party. So in the coming few days, more sessions will be held, and of course more CAG reports are expected to be tabled in the coming few days.
All right, Isha, thank you for getting us the details. We're moving on now.